everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. And on this video, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for January 2020, the first beauty subscription box unboxing of the new year. So I'm so excited that it is this box because Boxycharm never lets me down. So while I am opening up this box, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And while you're there, go ahead and click that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload of mine. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for your support. So this is my box, and it always says, "Hello, Charmer." This month's theme is breaking the ice. Ice, ice breakers. Ice, ice breakers. Ooh, I am variation number 25, so there's a lot of variations this month. Let's see, this is my first glance at my box, and right on top I am so excited because they finally started doing complexion products. So this is a Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer. This MSRP is for $25. Oh, it has a little doe foot applicator. Let's see. Very nice concealer. It feels very full coverage. And it actually looks like it's my shade, so that is a win-win for me. Love it! I got a palette of some sort. Did you guys customize your boxes? I must have missed the customization option. So this is an Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. Look at the packaging on this. This is so pretty. Let's see what Vintage Dawn looks like. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I am not going to swatch these because I am going to set this away for a giveaway. Beautiful. You guys are going to like this so much. So this is from Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Comage, which is basically like an exfoliator. So that was that product. Next thing I have in here is from Manna Kadar. Manna Kadar. This is a lipstick. Lip Whip. Beautiful. This is from Avant. This is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So that's everything I got in my box. I just added up everything in my entire box, and the value of my box was $215.99. $215.99. That's amazing. What a great value. The most expensive thing, which I did not realize, was the sleeping mask. The Avant Skincare Sleeping Mask is $107, which is like half the value of the entire box. I cannot believe this is $107. Okay, unbelievable. I am going to give away the Ace Beauty palette, which is gorgeous. I think you guys are really gonna like it. And the lipstick that I just got from Manna Kadar. So far there's 2 things in the giveaway. And as more boxes come and I'm doing more unboxings, I'm gonna compile more and more goodies for you guys. So you're gonna wanna enter to win that. So all you need to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel and email me at CandaceMarieGiveaway@gmail.com. In the subject line, just put January giveaway, and I will know that you're entered for this surprise box. Sound like a deal? So just subscribe and email me. That's all you need to do to enter. I appreciate your subscription and I appreciate you watching my videos. So that's why I want to be able to share with you guys, and I think these products are something that you're gonna really like. So definitely get entered to win this, and like I said, as more unboxings come my way, I will add more fun stuff to this box. Thank you so much for being here today. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to get entered into that giveaway that I just mentioned. It's gonna be awesome. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella.